Microsoft has extended Windows and security updates through October 12, 2027. Here's how to check if your PC is eligible, enroll in ESU, and confirm that it's active. First, right-click the Start button and select System. Scroll down to Windows Specifications and make sure the version says 22H2. Also confirm that you're using an eligible edition, such as Windows 10 Home, Pro, Pro Education, or Pro for Workstations. Next, go back to the main settings page, then open Update and Security. Click Check for updates. If any required updates are available, install them and restart your PC if prompted. Once that's done, return to Windows Update. Look for the Extended Security Update section, then click Enroll Now. After a moment, a window will appear with a short explanation about the ESU program. Click Next to continue. You'll now be asked to sign in with a Microsoft account. If you don't have a Microsoft account, click Create One. It's free. If you're currently using a local Windows account, make sure it has administrator access before continuing. Enter your Microsoft account details and complete the sign-in process. Windows will then check your device and show the enrollment options available for your account and region. On this PC, ESU can be activated for free by syncing the device settings with a Microsoft account. You may see different options, such as using Microsoft Rewards points or making a one-time purchase. Choose the option available on your PC and follow the on-screen steps. Review the details, then click Enroll. If you've already used this Microsoft account for ESU, the button may appear as Add Device instead. Once the enrollment is complete, return to Windows Update. The page should now show that your PC is enrolled in Extended Security Updates. Click Check for updates to download any ESU security updates currently available. If your PC was already enrolled, your coverage should continue automatically through October 12, 2027. If you don't see the Enroll Now option, first make sure your PC is running Windows 10 version 22H2. Install all required Windows updates, restart the PC, and check Windows Update again. If the option is still missing, check the troubleshooting guide linked in the description. Just keep in mind that ESU provides security updates only. It does not add new features or restore full Windows 10 support. If you have any questions, leave in the comments. I'll be happy to help, and subscribe for more simple Windows guides.